Hi, what's up, guys? We're from Maseru and we're heading over to Pulani in Barati Street. Boom, we finally arrived. This place is looking hella amazing. I don't want to lie, it's amazing. And then we see a lot of things, but we see this plant that I like the most, and then I had to take pictures of it. It's really amazing. And then we arrived at Komi Caves. These caves, guys, hold history for Bataung and Basia, where they were hiding for the Fakani wars. And then this Gogo told us about each and everything that was taking place under the caves. This was really a lovely experience. So if you've got this love for Basotho and Sesotho, you have to go in these caves. They are really amazing. We explored a lot of things, and then the things that we normally do not have right now in our era on our homes. That Coco tells us about each and everything that was taking place under the caves. And then we're heading back to Maseru because we need to go back where we come from. This was a really lovely experience that I will never ever forget.